Welcome back to ABM Quiz. Get ready for the 50 hardest Would You Rather questions ever. Each choice will test your limits. No skipping, no hesitation. Before starting, please subscribe to the ABM Quiz channel for more epic quiz challenges every day. Let's dive in. Would you rather never sleep again or never eat again? Would you rather forget your name or forget everyone else's name? Would you rather live underwater or live in space? Would you rather be 10 years old forever or 100 years old forever? Would you rather lose your sense of smell or lose your sense of taste? Would you rather laugh uncontrollably for 10 minutes or cry uncontrollably for 10 minutes? Would you rather have rainbow-colored hair or hair that changes with your mood? Would you rather talk to animals or speak every human language? Would you rather find $1 million or find true love? Would you rather have no reflection or no shadow? Would you rather be invisible for a day or fly for a day? Would you rather always be 5 minutes late or always 30 minutes early? Would you rather never get tired or never get hungry? Would you rather have glowing red eyes or never blink again? Would you rather have unlimited Wi-Fi or unlimited food? Would you rather wake up in a zombie apocalypse or in the middle of a desert? Would you rather lose your voice for a week or lose your hearing for a week? Would you rather always tell the truth or always lie? Would you rather swap bodies with your best friend or swap lives with a celebrity? Would you rather be famous but hated or unknown but loved? have nightmares every night or never dream again? Would you rather wear clown makeup forever or a clown nose forever? Would you rather eat a jar of pickles or drink pickle juice? Would you rather have a rewind button for life or a pause button for life? Would you rather have super strength or super intelligence? Would you rather lose your job or lose your best friend? Would you rather forget how to walk or forget how to talk? Would you rather have 100 cats or 100 dogs? Would you rather age twice as fast or half as fast? Would you rather be allergic to water or allergic to sunlight? Would you rather always sneeze loudly or always hiccup quietly? Would you rather be rich but lonely or poor but surrounded by friends? Would you rather live in a haunted house or live on a deserted island? Would you rather never celebrate holidays or celebrate every day as a holiday? Would you rather lose your phone or lose your wallet? Would you rather eat spicy noodles or eat 20 sour candies? Would you rather see the future or change the past? Would you rather have no bones or no skin? Would you rather never stop talking or never talk again? Would you rather fight 10 ducks the size of horses or one horse the size of a duck? Would you rather have your life narrated by Morgan Freeman or by The Rock? Would you rather switch lives with your pet or with your favorite movie character? Would you rather wake up famous or wake up rich? Would you rather never be able to smile again or never be able to cry again? Would you rather have a twin who copies everything you do or a parrot that repeats everything you say? Would you rather live one perfect day forever or live an unpredictable life? Would you rather spend a year alone in Antarctica or a year in the Sahara Desert? Would you rather have your thoughts appear above your head or never be able to think privately again? Would you rather wear a wet sock forever or wear tight shoes forever? Would you rather never use YouTube again or never use TikTok again? You made it to the end. That was insane. Comment your answers below which question was the hardest. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ABIM Quiz for more fun challenges every day.